SVG icons are beautiful because they can be scaled for any size. However, changing the colors of the fills and strokes can be quite a repetitive task because you have to go into the SVG code, find each fill and/or color stroke attribute, then replace them with current color. Well, thanks to Webflow community legend Tim Daff, he has built the Webflow app SVG Importer. This app has been my go-to tool for importing SVGs for every project I've worked on. Why? Because it's so simple and it just works. You can paste raw SVG code or drag and drop a SVG file into the Webflow app and your icon will immediately be placed into your canvas. And here's the kicker. When importing your SVGs with this app, it can automatically strip out fixed colors and replaces them with current color. Now, your icons actually inherit your Webflow text styles. No more re-uploading 5 versions of the same icon or having to code the fill or strokes attribute. Add the SVG import tool into all of your Webflow projects today. It's completely free, but I would strongly suggest supporting it for at least $1 a month for all the time it'll save you. Do you know of any other great Webflow apps that should be featured? Let us know in the comments.